was for us two. So let's start. Girl, you better help me. Oh, wow.
You know you can open it from the other side, right? You gotta open it. Look.
No.
I'm about to try to unicorn.
Yeah, look at the new unicorn. It says it right here.
Is this stuff to show you how to do a cartwheel? Y'all want to take it outside?
Oh, yeah. Mama,
Okay, that's a front flip.
let's see if Sky can do anything.
Yes, there you go. Okay, who wants to go first?